everyone, my name is Rochelle Lagera. Now I will be tackle about the cool moves, the humidifying air conditioner transportation. In short, transporting air conditioning. Ever wondered what it really takes to move an air conditioner? It is not just unplugging and chucking it in the car. Today, we are diving deep into the world of AC transportation, what it means and how to do it right. So now, we define the air conditioning transportation. So what is transporting air conditioning? It is the process of safely relocating air conditioning units from one place to another. This could be moving a window unit across a room, shipping a split system to a new house, or even transporting components for repair. It is more complex than you think.
1. Hvac duct systems. HVAC heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems use ductwork to distribute cooled or heated air throughout buildings. These ducts are crucial for delivering conditioned air to different rooms or zones, ensuring consistent temperature and comfort levels.
2. Vehicle air conditioning. In vehicles, air conditioning systems transport cool air using a compressor and hoses. The compressor circulates refrigerant, which absorbs heat from the cabin air, cooling it down. This cooled air is then blown into the vehicle's interior through vents.
3. Refrigerated transport. Refrigerated trucks and vans are essential for transporting temperature-sensitive goods, using HVAC systems to maintain specific temperature ranges. These vehicles ensure that perishable items like food and pharmaceuticals remain fresh and safe during transit.
4. Portable AC units. Portable air conditioners are designed for easy relocation from one room to another. These self-contained units can be moved to different locations as needed, providing flexible cooling solutions.
5. Split system installation. Installing split system air conditioners involves transporting both indoor and outdoor units to the installation site. The indoor unit is typically mounted on a wall, while the outdoor unit houses the compressor and condenser coils.
Proper transportation can lead to serious damage. We are talking bent coils, refrigerant leaks, compressor failure, all of which can cost you serious money. Plus, mishandling can void warranties. Take it seriously.
Types of AC units and their transportation needs.
Side-by-side comparisons of window units, portable ACs, and split systems highlight unique challenges for each.
Window units are bulky and heavy, requiring careful removal and secure packing. Portable ACs needs to be drained and stabilized. Split systems, those require professional disassembly and specialized handling of refrigerant. Knowing your unit type is crucial. The key steps in AC transportation. Let's break down the process. First, preparation. Gather your tools and understand the unit. Second, disconnection. Safely detach the AC from power and its location. Third, cleaning. Remove dust and debris to prevent future problems. Fourth, packing. Protect the unit with proper materials. Fifth, moving. Use safe lifting techniques and appropriate transportation. And finally, reinstallation. Carefully set up the unit in its new location. Tools and equipment for safe transport. You will need the right gear, wrenches and screwdrivers for disassembly, bubble wrap and moving blankets for protection, straps for securing the unit, and dollies for easy moving. Split systems. Professionals use refrigerant recovery system to safely handle refrigerants. DIY versus professional air conditioning transportation. Can you DIY? Maybe. For a small window unit.
Importance of transporting air conditioning systems and components. Transporting air conditioning involves two key aspects. 1. Physical movement of AC units or parts, logistics, installation. 2. Air distribution, moving conditioned air through spaces.
Advantages of transporting air conditioning.
1. Cost efficiency avoids expenses of purchasing a new unit. Ideal for high-end or specialized systems, for example, industrial ACS. R. Environmental sustainability. Reduces e-waste by reusing functional equipment. 3. Convenience. Professional movers handle disassembly, packaging, and reinstallation. Retains familiarity with the existing system's performance.
Disadvantages of transporting air conditioning.
1. Logistical challenges. Weight and size. Heavy components, for example. Compressors require specialized vehicles and equipment. Risk of damage. Improper handling can harm coils, refrigerant lines, or electrical parts.
2. Refrigerant risks. Leaks during transport may violate environmental regulations, EPA guidelines. Requires licensed technicians to safely drain and recharge the system.
3. Time and effort disassembly. Reinstallation can take hours. Especially for central AC systems, older units may not be worth the effort due to potential post-move malfunctions. 4. Permit requirements. Transporting large commercial systems may need local permits or approvals.
Transporting air conditioning is stay informed, stay safe, and stay cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more electrifying content.